Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix HD upload option not showing in TikTok. So let me show you here. I want to record a video like this. Now tap on next. As you can see guys, it's not showing here any option of HD upload, as you can see guys. So tap on more option if it's showing or not. As you can see guys, it's not showing here. So just simply take screenshot of this one. If this option is not showing, just simply go back and you have to tap on your profile and then tap on three lines. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll it down, tap on report a problem option. Now again you have to tap on videos and sounds. Now from here just simply tap on posting videos, tap on other. Now tap on no. Now need more help. Here you have to write this one, so you can paste from my description, and here you have to tap this one and just simply select that screenshot. Okay guys, like this, tap on confirm. Now tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted and TikTok team will fix your problem as soon as possible. Okay guys, and if still it's not working for you, then you have to open TikTok and then you have to tap on your profile, tap on three line, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down, tap on data saver, and then you have to turn the toggle off for this. So you have to turn off data saver, and after that you can easily upload video with better quality. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.